But since then, I've been guilty. That's when I came 2 weeks back in a corner of in Charles, I didn't. Nemuga mchanga dada program hiyo kupewa. Jeshi tucheze juice in my life. But I thank God, Maggie is here. They told me to say, you're there, you. So Xavier to allow Krista. She's my fellow woman. Charlie would shout for you, but I just request for forgiveness.
Let's go.
So he's smiling. Aisha Spina Mosibo, Bamutoya Mutimabani, and I remember very well. Kamushai Senior High School. Aisha Sipulina Mosibo. Sababu kama Adiambe Adeo Azeo connection yaliyo wakati wa kwa wale. So katibadi saba tuamkoledo miimba baruita Omukundo Legacy, yes. Legacy. Bali kujukira ko kingogenze kimanyi lwe tulima nga tuludedicatinga gyali okulaga kikyalese mu ggwanga. Nsaba owuliriza ebigambo, it's a danceable tune. Njagala kati tuggyewo whatever is going on between us, like right now, tubalaba mwena muli down, to celebrate ye obulamu bwe na kikyaleseewo. Hallelujah!